Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram message not received problem. Many users have reported that they were not able to get any message from the other person, or they are not able to receive any message, or in fact their message is also not going to that person. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes, no need to worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first thing what you have to do is to check if the Instagram needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for Instagram. After that, here you have to check if the app needs any kind of update. If there is any update available, update your Instagram app to the latest version, and after that launch and check if the messages are working or not. If not, next is to check if Instagram is down or so. So you have to go to Google and search for Instagram down detector. After that, you have to open the first website, and here you will find if there is any server downtime going on. So you have to just go below, and here you will see if any server downtime is going on. Just wait for a few minutes. Once it is open, so as you can see, there is a fluctuation in the graph. So it means that server downtime is going on, and you have to wait for some time before it comes back online. So after that, check if the messages is working properly. If not, you should. If not, next method is to force stop the Instagram app. For that, you have to click and hold the icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now check if the problem is resolved or not. If the issue still continues, you should clear the cache of the app. For that, go to app info, click on storage, click on clear cache. Now once you have done this, go back, open the app and check if the messages not received problem is fixed or not. If not, then you have to take help from the support team. So for that, you have to open Instagram app, and after that click on your profile icon and then click on 3 line. So after clicking on 3 line, you have to go below, search for help option. So go below, click on help option. After that, here you have to click on report a problem. After that, click on a report problem, include and continue, and here you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So here you have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across. You can include a screenshot if you have, upload it, and after explaining the error in details, simply click on the set option. Now once you send your details, whatever the problem you are facing, to the support team, wait for some time and then check if the support team has responded to your messages or not, and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end, and you can access the DM once again, or the person will receive the message, and in fact you can also receive the same messages. So the problem will be resolved soon. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.